So I'm here speaking on the Canon M50 mirrorless camera on the internal mic, and the audio is okay but it's a bit echoey. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to improve the audio with a good cheap Lavalier mic, and that's the BOYA M1 mic. So I'm going to show you that now, how you can improve the audio. So let's hit the intro. Hi, welcome back to BKM Tech and Gadgets. My name's Kevin and my YouTube channel is all things tech. So if you're new to my channel and the first time here, could you like, subscribe and hit the notification bell on my channel? That would be much appreciated. So I've been using this mic for some time now to use in my YouTube videos. I also use a shotgun mic, which is the Rode Video Micro, but for this video I'm going to show you the audio you can get with this mic for under £20. So this is the BOYA M1 mic in the box. So as you can see, it's in the box there. So I'm going to get it out of the box in a minute, and I'm just going to go through some specs with you now. So it's a clip-on mic for smartphones and DSLR cameras, so audio recorders and PC, etc. So it's omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use, low handling noise. Includes a lapel clip and an LR44 battery, foam windscreen and a 1/4 adapter. So it's so small and compact, this mic is, and it comes with this nice leather pouch, which I think is leather, but either way it's a nice pouch to protect the mic while transporting it around. So this is the leather pouch, and as you can see it's got the BOYA logo on there as well. So that's a nice pouch for the actual mic. It also comes with a dead cat. So as you can see, there's the dead cat there, windshield on the mic as well, to cut out any background noises or anything like that. So that's the dead cat mic on there. So as you can see, take it off, that's the mic there on its own. So it's really small and compact, so I'll just put that back on. It also comes with about 6 meters of cable. So it's very good if you're moving about, so you can still get good quality audio. So it does come with all this cable in here, and it also comes with this bit on the mic here. So as you can see, you've got a bit there that says camera and smartphone. So when this is plugged in to a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, you'd switch that on and then you'd see a green indicator there. Okay, so that is attached to the cable in and the mic. And then when you want to use it for a smartphone, you just turn it back off there and just plug it into your smartphone. And like I said, it does come with a LR44 battery, and with me using it, the battery does seem to last quite long as well. But when you do take it out from your camera, do remember to turn it on the off, because if you leave it on, it will run down the LR44 battery and then you won't have no audio the next time you use it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you the audio you will get from this mic when it's plugged into the Canon M50 or any other mirrorless DSLR camera. So as you can hear, the audio is a lot better coming from the Lavalier mic, which is just attached to my t-shirt underneath here. So it's more detailed, improves the audio quality on your video or YouTube's. So like I said, it is just under my shirt here on my BKM merchandise. You can still get good audio. So obviously, you know, the audio is really good. So you can hear the audio. And like I said, this is a cheap Lavalier mic, under £20, which I will leave the link below. So this was just a quick review of this cheap, affordable mic to improve your audio. Hope you liked this video on the BOYA M1 Lavalier mic. Also check out the video in my end cards on the Rode Video Micro, which I do use in my YouTube videos as well for my audio. So if you could all like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel BKM Tech and Gadgets and this video, that would be much appreciated. Like I said, I will leave the description in the link below where you can buy this Lavalier mic. Also check out my BKM clothing store, link in the description below as well. So I hope to see you all again on my channel BKM Tech and Gadgets. So have a nice day and see you soon.